Hello, Mark here with another Can-Am Ryker video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple modification to your forward reverse lever using a standard motorcycle gear shifter. I hope you enjoy the video. Alright guys, when I first saw this mod, I was on the Can-Am Ryker and Can-Am Ryker Biker Facebook group. I'm part of both groups. Great bunch of guys. If you haven't joined them, definitely join them. They'll teach you a lot of things, and I learned a lot from these guys already. Anyway, what I ended up using here was, it's just a normal motorcycle gear shifter here, and the hole that's right here has to be 11 millimeters. So that's going to be the main thing. Any 11 millimeter motorcycle gear shifter should work for this project. Anyway guys, let me show you how to install this thing. Now you're going to notice that your forward reverse lever is going to have this boot and this star screw in there, and what you want to do is take a T30 star bit to remove this screw. That comes out rather easily, and that screw is right in here. I have mine off already, and this rubber boot basically is attached to the forward reverse lever like this. And some people say there's glue in theirs. I have absolutely no glue. I don't know if you could see it or not, but there's no glue in mine. And what I did was I took a gardening glove and I just twisted this thing off. It took a little bit of persuasion, but I got it off in about a minute. So just keep twisting with the glove on. The next step is, guys, you're going to want to slide this onto your forward reverse lever. And what I did was I just rocked this back and forth until I got mine on. And if this bothers you, as you can see, I had mine on already, you are going to scratch up your paint. So as you're rocking this thing back and forth, the paint is going to come off of your forward reverse lever here, and it will go on. It's going to look like it's not going to fit, but it will fit for you. And I did buy some touch-up paint, so once I get this thing on, I'm going to touch it up, and I'll be right back with this. Alright guys, what I did here was I rocked that thing on like I showed you before, and I got it in a position that I believe it's going to be in a good spot here. I didn't tighten it down yet, but this is what it's going to look like. You want to get your position where you like it. So I think this is going to be a good spot for me here. So I'm going to leave mine right here, and I'm going to torque this down right now, and I'll be right back with you. Alright guys, I got that bolt tightened down now, and you can see this thing's not going anywhere. It's in a position where I want it to be, and it's looking pretty good here. It's working pretty well. Next thing I'm going to do, just for me, is I'm going to paint inside here, and I'm going to paint this up with some touch-up paint. I bought some universal black. Let me show you that paint right now. I'm going to get the paint in this, and I'll be right back to you. Alright guys, hopefully you can see this good here. I bought from my auto parts store, Rust-Oleum, Fast and Fix, Fix, Seal, and Repair Automotive Chips and Scratches 2-in-1 Paint and Primer, Universal Gloss Black. So I'm going to put this on that shifter right now, and let's see how it looks. Alright guys, this touch-up paint comes with this little brush here, and as you can see, I did do some touching up here. It doesn't look too bad. I got the inside over here of the gear shifter, and it came out pretty good. Matches up pretty well, so got all those little scratches that I got off of here. And you don't have to paint it like I did. I'm just trying to get this thing looking nice, and it cost me $9.99 for the paint, and also $10 and some change for this gear shifter here. So total cost of this project was 20 bucks, maybe $21 with tax. So not too bad here. Let me show you how to get that rubber boot back on. Alright guys, I just got a little bottle of hand sanitizer here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some of this into my boot here to get that back on. As you can see guys, I have the hand sanitizer. I squirted that in there pretty good, and I use the hand sanitizer because it dries pretty quick, and once it dries, it doesn't act like a lubricant anymore. So I'm going to try to get this back on there right now, and it's really hard to get on without the hand sanitizer. So as you can see, it's leaking out here, and it is going on rather easily. I'm going to go grab my glove again, get this thing on, and I'll be right back with you. Alright guys, once I got my glove, it took me another 10 seconds to get this on here. And last step is just tighten up this T30 star screw here, and I'm going to do that right now. As you can see guys, this thing looks really nice on here, and it works very well. I'm just going to use this one here to actually push it forward, and I'm going to use this to reverse it, and it's held on there really tight. It looks really, really nice. Let me show you one demonstration with me actually on the bike. Alright guys, I'm on top of the bike now, and I'm 6'2", and I have problems reversing this thing, so what I wanted to do is use the original shifter for going forward. I'm going to hit that right now. And I'm going to use the shifter I just put on to put this thing in reverse. And you can see it moves very, very nicely here for me, so very easy to get this thing back into reverse again. I'm going to leave you guys the link on Amazon.com for this gear shifter if you're interested in it. It cost me at the time $10 and some change, and it's an 11mm. The touch-up paint was $9.99. I don't have a link for you because I did get that at the auto parts store. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this little modification today. If you did, please hit that like button, and like always, please subscribe. I greatly appreciate you watching.